Jake, look at me. Stop. Put your phone on the table now.
But Emma, it is an email from my boss. It is important.
No, Jake, it is not important. It is 9 a.m. We are having coffee. Your phone is a monster.
Monster? My phone? But I love my phone. It has my work, my photos, my life.
Jake, you are 38, but you look like a tired student. You check your phone every 10 seconds. Why?
I am afraid, Emma. I'm afraid of my boss. I'm afraid of my job. If I don't answer, I lose my money.
Do you have money? Yes. Do you have a life? No. You are a digital slave.
A digital slave? That is a strong word.
Think about last night, Jake. What did you do with your daughter?
I I was with her, but I was looking at my screen. She was talking, but I was reading about a meeting.
See? You were there, but your heart was not there. That is the problem.
Okay, Emma, you win. No heart, just a screen. But my wife is also angry with me.
Oh, why? Tell me.
Yesterday we were eating spaghetti. My phone rang. I looked at it and I put my fork into my water glass, not the pasta.
No, did you really? You tried to eat water?
Yes. My wife looked at me and said, Jake, are you okay? Or is your brain in the cloud?
In the cloud. She is very funny. But seriously, Jake, it is not healthy. We are not robots. We need off time.
Off time? What is that? Like a vacation?
No, not a vacation. Just 1 hour every day. No phone, no internet, just you and a real person.
1 hour? No phone? Emma, I am a modern man. I can't survive. What do I do for 1 hour? Talk? About what? The weather?
Yes, talk about the weather. Talk about the spaghetti. Look at the trees.
I remember when I was a child. We had no mobile phones. We just played outside until the sun went down. I was very happy then.
Exactly. That is the secret. You were happy because you were present. You were in the moment.
Okay, I want that feeling again. I want to eat my spaghetti and not my water.
Okay, Jake, I have a game for you. Let's call it the phone jail.
Phone jail? Do I have to put my phone in prison?
Yes, exactly. When you go home today, take a small box, put your phone inside, close the box.
Oh no, my poor phone. It will be so dark and lonely in the box.
Don't worry, it doesn't need to breathe. Put the box in the kitchen. Then go to the living room and sit with your wife.
And what do we do? Just look at each other? Hello, wife. I am Jake. I am a human.
Yes, say hello, ask her about her day, listen to her. Do not check the green line of your stocks. Just look at her eyes.
Emma, last week she got a new haircut. I didn't see it for 3 days. She was very sad.
Oh, Jake, that is because you were looking at your small world in your hand, not the big world in your house.
You are right. My wife is more beautiful than an email from my boss.
I hope so. If you do this, you will feel free. To be free means you are the boss of your life, not your phone.
The boss of my life. I like that title. It sounds better than manager of sales. But Emma, I have a question, a serious question. What if my boss calls? What if there's an emergency?
Jake, tell me the truth. How many real emergencies did you have last year?
Hmm. Real emergencies? Maybe 0?
Exactly. Most emergencies can wait until tomorrow morning. The world will not stop, Jake. Trust me.
I guess you were right. My boss is not a doctor. We don't save lives, we just sell office chairs.
Right. Nobody dies if you don't sell an office chair at 10 p.m., but your happiness dies if you never relax.
That is true. But sometimes I feel FOMO, you know, the fear of missing out. I think everybody is having fun or working, and I am just sitting.
But that is the trick, Jake. When you are just sitting with your family, you are not missing out. You are winning at life.
Winning at life. I like that. So if I play a board game with my daughter, I'm a winner.
Yes, a big winner. And your daughter will remember that game for 10 years. She will not remember your fast email.
You were making me cry, Emma. Stop it. I'm a tough guy, remember?
A tough guy with a big heart and a very busy phone. It's okay to be human, Jake.
Okay, Emma. I am ready. No more phone monster for me tonight.
That is great, Jake. I am proud of you. And to our listeners, what about you? Are you a digital slave too?
Yes. Write a comment. Tell us, where do you put your phone when you want to relax? In a box? Under the bed? Or maybe in the trash?
Please don't put it in the trash. Just turn it off. Remember, life is short. Your emails are long, but life is short.
That is a good sentence for a t-shirt, Emma. Emails are long, life is short.
Maybe we can sell those t-shirts. But for now, let's just enjoy our coffee. No phones, just a real conversation.
Deal. I am turning my phone off right now. Silence. It feels good.
It feels like freedom, Jake. Thanks for talking with me today.
Thank you, Emma. Goodbye, everyone. Go hug your family.
Bye bye. See you in the next episode.